everyone, Angela here and welcome to my art channel. Today I'll show you how I made this beautiful painting. Let's get started. Here I have a 20 by 16 canvas and we're gonna use these colors. We have I'm gonna start with blue, deep blue. So basically we're using about 4 colors today, and medium blue, and these blues are actually from Artisa. They have really good paint. And I have light blue, gold and white. So those are the colors I'm going to be using on this canvas. And I pre-mixed a base paint, which I'm going to use white today, as always do. But you know, it's okay to use any color that you choose. I have about 20 ounces of paint in here. I mixed with water and Fortro to make the pouring medium. Anyway, so what I'm doing right now is just pouring on the canvas, and I am going to saturate it really good to make sure that the whole canvas is covered with white paint, because that will make my colors flow nicely. So now I'm just going to spread it around with blow dryer. I'm gonna add a little bit more paint because I don't think I have enough paint in here. So blow it over a couple times. That way I can saturate all that paint around the canvas. And after that, after making sure that all the paint is saturated on the canvas, I am going to blow the torch it. That way all the bubbles can come out of the paint. Just do whatever settings, but best settings for your torch will be like mid flame, and just torch all those bubbles out. Next, I'm gonna start pouring my paint. Hi darling, this is my daughter Nora. She just woke up. And basically what I'm gonna do right now is I am going to just pour the paint. Started with the blue, deep blue, and then medium blue, one after the other. And then light blue. Today I'm just feeling blue. I just like these blue colors, and they're very pigmented. So yeah, I love them. So and then that will be followed by white. You don't have to put too much white because we have the canvas is saturated with white, so there's gonna be a lot of white on there. And then lastly, we are going to put the gold on top of all the colors. That way when we blow it out, it will be just like on top mixed with all the colors. It looks really nice. So I'm hoping this one will come out pretty good. Now we can go ahead and torch it a little bit, and before we do that, and I dropped a little bit paint on there, a little bit gold. I had to wipe it off and put a tiny bit white. So here, this looks really nice, even without blowing it out. It looks like it can be a nice painting if I let it dry. but I want to do more, so I'm gonna torch it, and then I go ahead and add white paint just around all the other colors to make it you know how I do it. I blow it over the colors, and then that makes it flow better. Just blow it over the colors. And now we can go ahead and blow it out, blow the colors out. So yeah, this way. I can just leave it like this, but no, I am going to try to see if I can make a nice design. Let's see. Doesn't look like I had enough and white paint in the bottom because it's not really flowing nicely. But anyway, so make sure your canvas stand, it's very stable and leveled. That way your paint does not move and ruin your design. So yeah, my daughter kind of likes it a little bit, but she doesn't know what to name it yet. She's the one who usually gives me ideas of naming my paintings. So yeah, it looks like there's really good paint, good cells in there. I'm gonna move it over to a different place. That way it can settle, because this stand was not very leveled. So I'll move it over to a different place, and then I'll come back and show you how it turned out. So after setting it down for a little bit, maybe an hour, here is how it looks like. I decided that design was not good, so I filled it. I blew it over to fill the canvas.
Okay guys, good morning. Check out how this painting turned out. I love this. It's beautiful. Turned out wonderful. It's all nice and dry now, and yeah, it's more than I thought it would be. I mean, I can't believe I made this, but yeah, I do. Actually, I do believe I made it, and now I'm going to make some more.
I mean, look at those cells. Look at the definition of those cells. Wow, so beautiful and vibrant. Really nice colors. They complemented each other. All those colors, the blues, the gold, especially the gold, just pops really nice. Awesome, very nice. Okay, here it is hanging. I hope that you enjoyed watching my creation here. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you will be notified every time I upload. Share it with your friends and family, and God bless. Bye bye.